Hi, Scott here at the Omcan Test Kitchen, and today we're going to show you how to use the Omcan Tabletop Pineapple Core and Peeler. Easy to assemble, just simply screw on the handle. The machine will come with two size blades, one 89 millimeters and one 95, and this will fit most pineapple sizes. You'll notice a safety pin here. Once the handle is screwed on, simply lift it up to the top and push the safety pin in. This will prevent the pushing wedge to fall down. Once the pushing wedge is secured up top, then we can put our blade on. You'll notice that there are two rivets sticking out on the actual unit, and there are holes depending on which way you want the blade to face. Will fit right there, completely secured and not going anywhere. The spare blade can be stored on the side of the unit, but be sure to keep the safety guard on it when not being used. You can either simply place the unit on a flat, non-slippery countertop with a container underneath to catch the peels and product, or you can fasten it to a table equipped with a catching basket for your larger jobs. Once you have your unit in the correct spot, grab your pineapple. I cut off both ends of the pineapple myself with a sharp knife, but for larger jobs in production, Omcan also offers a manual pineapple guillotine that will quickly cut the tops and bottoms of the pineapple at a consistent and efficient rate. Place the pineapple in the center of the blade. You can now pull the handle downward and you will see that in one motion, both the peels and the core have been removed. Continue to repeat this motion as needed. For cleaning, simply remove the blade by using your hand to push the blade from the bottom. Never place your hand on top of the blade. Next, you can pull the pin that holds the pushing wedge and remove that for easy cleaning. Then all you have to do is wipe down the unit with detergent and a cloth to dry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, for all your restaurant equipment needs, visit us at omcan.com.